Are you tired of losing track of your money? Want to finally stick to a budget this year? In this video, we're counting down the best budgeting apps in 2025, from powerful AI tools to minimalist spend trackers. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just trying to save more, these apps are game changers. Budgeting has changed. With rising expenses and smarter tech, managing your money in 2025 means having the right tools in your pocket. Let's dive into the top apps making personal finance easier than ever. First up is YNAB. You need a budget. Known for its zero-based budgeting philosophy, YNAB helps you assign every dollar a job. It's great for people who want full control and are serious about long-term planning. The learning curve is real, but once you're in, it's life-changing. Next is Monarch Money, a newer app that's quickly winning hearts. It offers stunning visuals, a full net worth overview, and even lets families manage finances together. Think of it as Mint 2.0, but more secure and personalized. Looking for simplicity? PocketGuard might be your best friend. It tells you exactly how much you can spend today, after bills and savings, so you avoid overspending. If you love the envelope method, Good Budget brings it to your phone. It's perfect for couples and families who budget together, even if they don't share bank accounts. Need a blend of budgeting and wealth tracking? Empower Personal Wealth, formerly Personal Capital, offers excellent free tools for tracking expenses and your investments in one place. Rocket Money is your go-to for cutting unnecessary spending. It tracks subscriptions, negotiates bills, and helps you cancel what you don't need. Ideal if your expenses are full of digital clutter. And finally, check out Copilot, a rising star with AI-powered categorization and beautiful design. It's smart, fast, and feels like a personal finance assistant.